Adam looks inside his refrigerator. It is almost empty. He sees one egg, one tomato, and a little milk. He smiles and says, "Okay, I need to go shopping." Adam puts on his shoes. He takes his bag. He walks to the supermarket. The supermarket is close to his home. It is a sunny day. Adam feels good. Adam walks inside the supermarket. It is big and bright. There are many things on the shelves. Adam looks around and says, "Okay, Adam, let's not forget anything today." Adam takes a basket. He walks to the fruit section. He picks up some apples. He smells them. They smell fresh and sweet. He puts them in his basket. He says, "Perfect, fresh apples." Adam walks to the bread section. He sees many kinds of bread: big bread, small bread, brown bread, white bread. He picks up a small brown bread. He checks the price. It says $1.50. Adam smiles and says, "Good, that is cheap." Adam walks to the milk section. He opens the door. He feels the cold air. He picks up a small bottle of milk. He checks the date. It is fresh. He puts it in his basket and says, "Good, fresh milk." Adam looks at his basket. Apples, bread, milk. He thinks for a moment. He says, "Wait, I forgot something. Eggs. I need eggs." Adam walks quickly to the egg section, but he stops. He looks at the shelf. It is empty. No eggs. Adam looks surprised and says, "Oh no, no eggs today." A man is standing nearby. He works at the supermarket. His name tag says Tom. Adam walks to him and says, "Excuse me, do you have eggs? The shelf is empty." Tom smiles and says, "Oh yes, sorry about that. We have fresh eggs in the back. I will get them for you right now." Adam smiles and says, "Thank you so much. I appreciate it." Tom comes back with fresh eggs. He puts them on the shelf. Adam picks up one box carefully. He checks them gently. They are perfect. He puts them in his basket and says, "Great, now I have everything." Adam walks to the checkout. The cashier smiles and says, "Good morning. Did you find everything okay?" Adam smiles and says, "Almost, but a kind man helped me find the eggs." The cashier laughs and says, "That is Tom. He's always helpful." Adam nods and says, "Yes, very helpful. Thank you." Adam pays for his shopping. He takes his bag. He walks outside. The sun is still shining. He looks at his bag and smiles. He says to himself, "Apples, bread, milk, eggs. A good day. A very good day." Now, let's learn some words from today's story. Word 1. Empty. Nothing inside. Word 2. Fresh. Clean and new. Word 3. Cheap. Low price. Not expensive. Word 4. Appreciate. To say thank you from your heart. Word 5. Checkout. The place where you pay in a shop. Did you enjoy shopping with Adam today? What do you buy at the supermarket? Tell us in the comments. Click subscribe for more stories with Adam. See you next time. Bye-bye.